How to use face vitamins for dehydrated skin. Vitamins are not only to be taken internally, because it could also be taken externally for your skin as well. People always want a quick fix when the skin is dehydrated, especially on the face where everyone can see. But relying on lotions and beauty creams can sometimes leave us confused whether these are safe products or good for our skin. Instead of purchasing beauty products that contain ingredients like propylene glycol decaprylate and titanium dioxide, why not grab a cream that contains vitamins? They can naturally treat dehydrated skin in no time. Here are face vitamins for dehydrated skin and some tips on how to use them. Vitamin A is one of the most vitamins needed by our skin to keep it healthy. Vitamin A can help the skin regenerate new skin cells. Fruits like dark orange and vegetables like carrots, spinach, and dark green foods highly contain vitamin A. There are also topical applications that can help your skin hydrated. Adding vitamin A to your daily skin routine will ensure new cells to improve if skin will naturally get dry and flake off. Check your medicine cabinets for any product that contains vitamin C. Too much exposure to the sun will cause the skin to dry, especially on your face. That can cause long-term damage. Vitamin C can help in rehydrating your skin and can even repair damaged skin caused by the sun. There are many kinds of creams available in beauty stores today that contain vitamin C, and you probably have it without even noticing. For better results, choose a product that has high concentrations in vitamin C. Another kind of vitamin that can rehydrate and maintain the smoothness of your skin is vitamin E. A good example of this is the vitamin E oil, which can be purchased in many beauty stores nationwide. When you use vitamin E oil, the first thing that you will notice is the thickness of the oil, which is difficult to spread on your skin. To make it spreadable, heat the vitamin E oil a bit to make the consistency a little thinner so that it could easily be rubbed on your face. Just make sure to test the temperature after heating it to avoid scalding your face. Vitamin E can naturally treat dry and irritating skin because it is a natural antioxidant.